Hey guys, what's up? For the ones that don't know me, my name is Tony Hernandez and I like storytelling. So that means I like to create film, to take pictures and create content. That being said, today I'm gonna show you a behind the scenes of a video that I'm gonna be shooting for a toy company. This toy company sells toys for kids with autism. So I am super excited to shoot this video. I'm gonna show you behind the scenes, the process that I do. I'm gonna put the camera in some time lapse and show you how I'll do the setup of the lights, the mics, and everything. Alright guys, so let's do it. Alright guys, so I'm driving, I'm going to the location right now, and I just want to explain real quick the storyboard or the script and all that. So pretty much I use a combination of different things that I learned from different people, you know, different techniques, and pretty much I just grabbed whatever worked for me and implemented it. And also I added a few things that are like my own signatures, things that I like. So pretty much I start by answering the question, what is it about? You know, what's the video is gonna be about and all that. And then I move on to cut the video into scenes, right? After I cut the scenes, in each scene I describe what are we gonna see in that scene. And then I just write a side note if it comes to add some transitions and things like that. I add side notes in the bottom, and I finished it with some visual references. I download pictures from Google and just add them just to have them as a reference. Yeah, so pretty much that's how I do my script. That's how I do my script / storyboard. All right, so we're on location now, and we are ready. Let me zoom out this. My partner in crime, Max.
Hey.
We're ready to shoot the video. We're gonna set up the lights and the background. We found a nice background. Let's get to it.
All right, so we got the lights set up. We're getting the lights set up, and then we're gonna have Lindsay sit over on the sofa that's behind me there. We're gonna do a little bit of interview style questioning, and then throw in some B-roll and all that for the final. But we're just setting the stage right now, and we're gonna get some of the necessary items, and it's gonna look great.
Alright guys, so I put the key light, the side light, and I'm just setting up some lights behind her. They have the tungsten filter, just to change it up a little bit. Yeah. Alright guys, so we have the set ready here, and this camera looks blown up because I just adjusted all the lights for those cameras back there. So we are ready to start shooting.
Ready to roll.
Let's do it.
It'll put a smile on your child's face every single month. You like my face?
Yeah, no, absolutely.
Nice.
Tony can edit it.
what do you think?
I know you can.
Yeah,
fix it.
I think she can say just like something like see you guys later, bye bye, or comment down below if you wanna.
Hello.
Yeah, or like you can send them to your social media too. Like if you guys want to contact me, follow me on social media. I'll put pieces of information there.
Yeah,
That are
that's
valuable
good.
to you. And
Yeah.
see you guys. Bye bye. Alright guys, so that was just finishing the b-roll. I'm gonna take some more b-roll of like family pictures of her, you know, to give some more like context and more background of her, because she's the founder of the business. Alright guys, so that's it. We finished the video. We shot the interview and we shot some b-roll, and everything, it's coming out good. Now it's gonna be editing time, and if you wanna see the video, you guys can go to the Veloplay website and check it out. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you some b-roll of this footage that I took today, so you guys can have a taste of how the end video is gonna look like. And you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and see you guys next time. Peace.